Hello and welcome to the Valui Healthcare ordering tutorial. In this video, we will walk you through how to place an order using Valui's online ordering platform, creprot.com. Here's what you'll need: your account's username, your account's password, and lastly, you'll need to know what you wish to order. Begin by entering your details into the designated field and click Login. From there, go to the Orders category and click Place an Order. Here you will see a list of frequently ordered items, which is very helpful for regular customers. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we wish to see the whole product list, which can be performed by clicking here. After loading, you can simply scroll down to see the whole list of Valui products. Make sure to remember that quantity refers to the total amount of cartons you wish to order, not the amount of individual products. Okay. For this order I wish to purchase the following products: 2 cartons of Maxi Briefs Medium, 2 cartons of Maxi Briefs Large, 2 cartons of Maxi Pants Large, and 2 cartons of Inserts Sized Mini. Once the desired products have had their quantities entered, you then click Add to Sales Order. There are 2 buttons, one at the top and one at the bottom of the products list purely for convenience. You will then see all your products with the desired quantity in your cart. However, before progressing, I'm going to add 1 carton of Inserts Small to my order. This is simply achieved by repeating the previous procedure. With the inserts added, it's time to click Enter Delivery Details and confirm order. Now it's time to enter the relevant details and confirm your order. If you wish to alter your order during this stage, simply press Modify Order Line. This will take you back to the previous stage, where you can make any changes you need. When you've completed adding your details, finish the process by clicking Place Order. And there you have it. Your order is complete. At Valui, we will process your order and have your goods shipped to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. We hope this has provided some assistance to you and your team. Keep in mind we will be uploading more helpful content in the coming months, so be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful videos like this one.